Well, hey guys, today I am going to lift this motor out of the chassis. And we'll see if we get enough time, and we'll set the other one in there just to see where it sits. I'm going to use my lift here and lift it out. But yeah, super cool. We'll get that maybe set in today. We'll see where we get. I really do love this engine sling. It's very nice. You can adjust it with a ratchet, tilt it. It locks into place. Very easy to use. But you do need a long ratchet in order to move it due to this being a big block. A small block would be easy, or an LS. This is called Tilt Lift by Oberg. I'll put a description up above or down below. It's rated for 2,000 pounds. All right, I got the motor out. Easy lift, not too hard. Chassis came up almost 4 inches just lifting that motor out of it, so you can just tell how much heavier that is. This chassis with the body and the motor and everything was only 6 inches off the ground. Look how much suspension we just kind of freed up on this thing. It's crazy. It is tall. You would never imagine that, but pretty crazy. All right, I'm gonna get this thing ready so the new owner of it can come pick it up. All right, let's get this engine put in. I gotta see if this cooling oil cooler is going to clear, and then I gotta order some engine motor mounts or build some. Haven't decided yet, but let's get it put in and